For centuries, the majestic ash tree has stood tall across Britain's countryside, shaping myths, medicine, and the land itself. But in recent years, these leafy giants have been under attack, and not by man. An invisible enemy, ash dieback, a deadly fungal disease, has wiped out millions of trees across Europe. Scientists feared Britain's ash population might vanish forever. Until now. In a quiet corner of England, something extraordinary is happening. Shoots of hope, quite literally, are sprouting. Chapter 1. The ash tree's darkest hour. Ash dieback, caused by the fungus Himenocyphus fraxineus, arrived from Asia and spread like wildfire. Nearly 80% of Britain's ash trees were expected to die. For a time, the outlook was grim. We were looking at one of the most significant tree losses in UK history. But nature, as always, had other plans. Chapter 2. Survivors emerge out of the ashes, pun very much intended. A few rare trees defied the odds. These were the genetic survivors, naturally resistant to the disease. Researchers quickly took action, collecting seeds, cloning survivors, and launching one of the UK's biggest tree breeding programs ever. Chapter 3. The Great Ash Reboot. These new generation ash trees, the result of science, patience, and a little bit of luck, are now being planted across Britain. It's not just about trees, it's about ecosystems. Over 1,000 species rely on the ash tree. Birds, insects, mosses, even bats. So when you see a young ash tree swaying in the wind, remember, it's not just a plant, it's a symbol of resilience, recovery, and hope. If you enjoyed this nature comeback story, give us a like, subscribe, and share this with someone who loves trees as much as we do. Tap the bell so you never miss a story of survival and science. Got a tree story in your area? Comment below. I might feature it in my next episode.